Here's a 2015 INFINITI Q70L. For a distinctive life, you need a distinctive vehicle. INFINITI. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: external memory control, dual zone climate control, power tilt-down heated mirrors, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, V6 engine, gas pressurized shocks, active noise cancellation, power tilting steering column, rear wheel drive, auto dimming rear view mirror, and automatic transmission. Motor Trend notes, as expected, the interior is covered in high-quality leather and handcrafted wood pieces, while the controls are said to be intuitively and ergonomically placed. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
You're not just a number at Cowles Nissan. You're a family member. We work hard to make owning a new vehicle easy, fun, and affordable. We're conveniently located at 14777 Jefferson Davis Highway in Woodbridge.